At Kew, Louise, that's one of the good places to be. In fact, England are doing a lot better. At the moment, though, rather perversely, you've got the old weather front here lurking across the south, this stripe of cloud loitering with intent there, bits and pieces of rain associated with it, but at least it's sinking away towards the south, so much of the North Midlands, the north of England, North Wales, all brightening up through this afternoon, and a little bit of sunshine, but there's a bit of breeze coming in from the northwest, so feeling a wee bit fresher, 1 or 2 showers on that breeze, and it's more than a breeze, in fact, across the northeastern corner of Scotland. Showers largely confined to the northern shores of Northern Ireland, elsewhere dry and fine. And then once we start coming back into the south of Wales and certainly down into the southwest of England, well, there's more cloud here. And as I say, there may just be the odd spot of something coming along on that westerly breeze here. But despite the lack of sunshine, 18, 19, possibly even a 20 is distinctly possible here across the south. As I take you on through the rest of the evening and on to the first part of Saturday, you'll see that things really do clear up there. There's a chance of some late evening sunshine even in parts of the south. Then those skies really clear. That blue up there in Scotland, that's frost. It really will be a chilly old night until the arrival of yet more cloud and rain into the northwestern quarter of the British Isles. But you see what I mean, single figures there quite widely across the British Isles. So let me now take you on into the first part of Saturday. Let's get tucked in underneath the blanket of cloud, which will be there right from the word go across Northern Ireland, and it may well be thick enough for the odd spot of rain. It will certainly turn out to be a very wet day indeed across the western side of Scotland, with this rain, as you will see in a second, is going to be very persistent indeed. Those clear skies in the east will have led to a pretty chilly start in Aberdeen and all points to the east here. Similar sort of prospect across the north of England, but at least there'll be some sunshine here, and that is the general prospect across much of the Midlands, East Anglia, and right along the south coast. A glorious start to the day, not overly warm, I have to say, so if you're out for an early run, well, great conditions, but you'll notice those single figure temperatures there. Similar sort of prospect into Wales as well. So that's how we start off Saturday, and I've rather given the game away for England and Wales for Saturday. Certainly it will stay fine and dry for the most part. Yes, we'll have some cloud developing, but the real weather action is across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Some pretty wet and windy weather here, particularly on the western side of Scotland, where we could see a couple of inches of rain at low levels, up to 4 inches in the mountains by the time we get on to Sunday, where in fact you'll see that this whole weather front is very slow to move away from the northern portion of Britain. Further south, though, drier and finer conditions, with a top temperature in the sun of around about 22. Not bad at all.